You think you're looking at a pet, a colorful distraction in a cage, and you're wrong. You are currently in the presence of a survivor, an animal with a heart rate so high that it would melt a Formula 1 engine. This is not just a bird, it's a 30-gram desert masterpiece disguised in lemon and lime feathers. And its cover, it's perfect, think about it. The third most popular pet in the world. It's a cheerful little creature, just designed to blend in. But this is not just a bird. The subject is known on the street as the Budgerigar, or the Budgie. Its primary territory is not some comfortable cage. It is the Australian outback, rough sector filled with dust and zero mercy. A landscape where just surviving is a constant battle. For millennia, the local people tracked budgies, because where the flock moves, water and survival follow. They are not just inhabitants, they are masters of the outback. But what is so special about this tiny creature? There is a whole set, their brain, their body, and the way they actually live. So their brain abilities. We know parrots are good at parroting people. But the budgie went way further than that. They actually can learn and understand our words. Record has been set at an impressive 1,728 words by an individual named Puck. Most surprising, Puck invented his own phrases, applied context, and even cracked some jokes. That is not a creature that just hears you, it decodes you. Talking about brains of budgies, when it comes to finding a partner, what's more important, good look or sharp mind? For this bird, the answer is crystal clear, and it might just surprise you. A really groundbreaking study revealed that female budgies actually prioritize high-level processing abilities. It's not about who has the brightest feathers, it's about who has the sharpest mind. Also, they mate for life. As for the amazing tiny bodies, first of all, their skeleton is air-filled, meaning that their bones are literally hollow, making them unbelievably lightweight. To not slow them down, nature didn't give them a bladder, so they evacuate waste every 20 minutes to maintain a perfect power-to-weight ratio. Even the pulse of a budgie is incredibly high. It goes from 300 to over 600 beats per minute. But the most incredible spec lies in their eyes. Budgies have what's called tetrachromatic vision, meaning they can see ultraviolet light. And that's not it. They can process 150 images per second. That's twice to 3 times the speed of human vision. Which means, to a budgie, your fastest movement looks like they're happening in slow motion. They see every threat, long before you even register it. If someone has budgie at home, it's usually 1 or 2 parrots. But actually they are highly social. In the wild there is no single alpha leader directing the group. They maintain the tight cohesion of the flock through constant data exchange. They mimic each other's sounds and use complex vocalization to perfectly synchronize their flight path and feeding patterns. They live in nomadic flocks of up to 2,000. Also, they are migrative birds, flying long distances in Australia's interior to follow rain and food sources. By digging in the specs, it appears very clear that we have fundamentally misunderstood this creature. This is not some fragile pet, this is a nomadic masterpiece of nature, a flocking superorganism that has survived and thrived in one of the most hostile environments on Earth.